Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about different aspects of Tata box. This is very short video where we will discuss about the properties and behavior of the Tata box, especially what Tata box is. Tata box, this is nothing but this is the special sequences, this is the special consensus sequences, this is the special conserved sequences present on DNA as a part of promoter. Okay. So when you are talking about transcription in prokaryotes or transcription on eukaryotes, then you must heard the term Tata box. So Tata box, it present in prokaryotes, in archaea and eukaryotes also. So let's see here. So at the beginning of process of transcription in prokaryotes, at first RNA polymerase enzyme will come. RNA polymerase enzyme will come and read out the large portion, the large sequences of DNA. Then after some portion or some sequences of DNA which is recognized by the RNA polymerase, on which RNA polymerase enzyme will bind. So this is the RNA polymerase enzyme. RNA pol means RNA polymerase enzyme. Okay, and this is the region from where transcription will start. Okay, and this region is known as the start region. This region is known as the start region, and which is demarcated as +1. So upstream of start region on coding strand, so this is the upstream region, and towards 3' region of the coding strand, this is the downstream region. So upstream region, upstream of the start point, there is the special sequences, which is recognized by RNA polymerase enzyme, and these special sequences which is hexameric region. This is hexameric region, and the special sequences is here TAT, and these special sequences which is known as the consensus sequences. Such consensus sequences, also known as the canonical sequences, These canonical sequences or consensus sequences, this is the part of the promoter. And these sequences or this sequence which is conserved throughout whole organisms in due course of evolution. That's why these sequences also known as the conserved sequences. Okay, so RNA polymerase enzyme first come and recognize some special sequences on DNA on which RNA polymerase enzyme will bind, and this portion is known as the promoter region. This is the promoter region. Okay, so the RNA polymerase bind on promoter region. Okay, and this promoter region which contains some special sequences at upstream of start point at centered -10. Okay, -10 region, centered at -10. That's why this region which is known as the -10 element, which is also known as -10 element. So minus 10 element, this is the this is the Tata box. This is the Tata box, which is the core part of the promoter, which is recognized by the RNA polymerase enzyme. Okay, and these sequences, if you observe here, this is the hexameric sequences, 6 nucleotide present here, thymine, adenine, thymine, adenine, adenine, thymine. So there is the repetition of thymine, adenine, thymine, adenine. That's why it is known as the Tata box. That's why it is known as the Tata box. So the word box, how it comes, it is unclear. But it is believed that when you are representing the Tata box, then we are making here a box-like structure. That's why it is known as the box, Tata box. But it is unclear. Okay. So this hexameric region, this consensus sequence, which also known as the canonical sequences. So such consensus sequence, this is known as the consensus sequence. So what is the meaning of consensus? So there is the variation in such sequences, in such position of the particular nucleotide. So variation is permitted, but the variation is very less than the frequency of repetition of this nucleotide. That's why this is known as the consensus sequences or canonical sequences. Such sequence TATAAT, which is conserved throughout organisms in due course of evolution, and this element, this sequence which present upstream of the start point centered at -10 region in prokaryotes. That's why this also known as -10 element, which also known as the -10 element. Okay, and this Tata box in case of prokaryotes, which is known as the Pribnow box, which also known as PRIB, Pribnow box, after discoverer, it is also known as the Pribnow box in case of prokaryotes. So Pribnow box, this is the -10 element. This is the core part of the promoter in prokaryotes. This is one of the consensus sequences of promoter, which is the hexameric region, and this is the Tata box. So this region, this consensus in case of prokaryotes, there is another consensus sequences present at the -35 region. Okay. So these sequences, these consensus or conserved sequences, which provide the signal to the RNA polymerase enzyme. Okay. That's why the subunit of RNA polymerase enzyme, that is the sigma factor. The subunit of the RNA polymerase enzyme in prokaryotes, this is the sigma factor. Okay. So this consensus sequence TATAAT, it is read out or it is recognized by the 2.3 and the 2.4 region of the sigma factor. So these things we will discuss about in my subsequent video. Okay. So the sigma factor, this is the subunit of the holoenzyme RNA polymerase in case of prokaryotes, and that is the sum of the region 2.3 and 2.4, that is the sum of the sequences which recognize such special sequences, such conserved sequences. That's why this is known as the sequence specific contacts. So this is known as the sequence specific contacts, and such region which contains the signal, it provides the signal to the RNA polymerase, and the subunit of sigma factor or the region of the 2.3 or region of the 2.4 of the sigma factor, or somehow alpha subunit also recognize recognize this Tata box. Okay, recognize this Tata box or receive the signal from the promoter region. Okay, that's why this region, this Tata box, which also known as the sequence specific contact. So this is known as the sequence specific contacts. Sequence specific contacts, it means that the specific amino acid, the specific sequence of amino acid of sigma factor at the region of 2.3 and the 2.4, they read out, they recognize the Tata box region. This is the special sequence, that's why this is known as the sequence specific contacts. It contains the appropriate signal. It provides the signal to the RNA polymerase come and bind. Okay. So this is the very preliminary idea about the Tata box or the pre-now box of the prokaryotes. Okay. So here there is the Tata box. So here the Tata box, there is the 2 hydrogen bond, actually 2 hydrogen bond present in between A and T and A. So it means that this region energetically it is easy to melt out, it is easy to denature. Why? Because it contains 2 hydrogen bond as compared to G and C. So these 2 nucleotide G and C in between, that is 3 hydrogen bonds. So around the Tata box consensus region, there is the GC, but the Tata box region or this consensus sequence which is rich in A and T, there is so many 2 hydrogen bond in between A and T. In between A and T, so many base pairs are present. So it is energetically easy to break down these or it is energetically it is easy to denature the DNA as compared to break down the DNA strand where GC present. Okay, that's why this region it is recognized by the RNA polymerase enzyme. And this here, this T and A, the first 2 nucleotide thymine and adenine, it is constant or it is preserved or it is conserved. Okay, and the last nucleotide thymine, it also conserved. So TAAT, so first 2 nucleotide thymine adenine and the last nucleotide thymine, it is conserved, and but some of the variation present in this position number 3rd, 4th and the 5th. So this consensus sequence, it is summarized like this: TAAT. So we may write subscript 80, 95, 45. So these subscript, it denotes, it indicates the percentage of repetition, percentage of frequency of the nucleotide. So here the percentage which varies from 45% to 96%. So at the Tata box region, the nucleotides which is summarized like this: T80, A95, T45, A60, A50, T96. So these subscript, it denotes the percentage of repetition, the percentage of frequency of nucleotide at particular site or the particular nucleotide, and which varies about 45% to 96%. Okay. So this is the whole about of the Tata box or the Pribnow box in prokaryotes, and such region also present in eukaryotes. Such region also present on eukaryotes. Suppose that this is the eukaryotic DNA strand, double stranded DNA, 5 prime, 3 prime, 5 prime, 3 prime, and such homologous region also present on the eukaryotic DNA or in eukaryotes. Suppose that this is the start point of the transcription +1, and here this Tata region which present at the upstream of start point, and the sequence which is TA. So here 7 nucleotide present, and the sequence is TA. So thymine, adenine, and which is centered at -25. Okay. So this region which present under the promoter region of the eukaryotes, and there is also the repetition of thymine, adenine, that is the 7 nucleotide. This is the 6 nucleotide hexameric. Here is the 6 nucleotide in prokaryotes, 7 nucleotides in eukaryotes. Actually in eukaryotes, this consensus sequence or the conserved sequences, this is known as the Tata box. So usually we are using Tata box in eukaryotes, but it also known as Goldberg and Hogness, Hogness sequence or the box. Goldberg and Hogness sequence. Why? Because they are the Goldberg and Hogness discovered this Tata box in eukaryotic cell in the year 1978. That's why this Tata box, after discoverer, it also known as the Goldberg-Hogness box or the element. Okay. So this is the Tata box region which present -25 region. That's why it is also known as the -25 element also. So this is the Tata box region of the eukaryotes, and in case of prokaryotes, the Tata box region which also known as the Pribnow box. So usually you are using Pribnow for the Tata box in case of prokaryotes, but in case of eukaryote, it is known as the actually Tata box. So this Tata box region in case of eukaryotes, there are several enzymes. So there are 3 types of RNA polymerase 1, 2 and 3, and beside these RNA polymerase enzymes, some of the proteins also involved in the process of transcription, and this Tata box region, it is recognized by one of the protein or the factor in case of eukaryotes, and this factor is known as the Tata binding protein, so TBP. So after the recruitment of TBP, after the binding of TBP, it helping for the recruitment of other transcription factor. So in case of eukaryotes, Tata box, it is recognized by the one of the transcription factor, that is the Tata binding protein, but in case of prokaryotes, the Tata region or the Pribnow element, it is recognized by RNA polymerase enzyme. So RNA polymerase enzyme, it has one of the subunit sigma factor and the region 2.3 and 2.4 which actually bind to this region. So, and it is also observed that if mutation occurs in this, if the mutation occurs in this TATA region and which causes some of the symptoms of diseases, if mutation occurs in case of TATA box region, in case of consensus sequence in this region, then which causes gastric cancer or which may causes the spinocerebellar ataxia, which is here in case of spinocerebellar ataxia, that is the lowering of coordination, So this is the neural disorder, one type of neural disorder, and the mutation which also causes the immunosuppression diseases, okay, and which also causes the Gilbert syndrome. This is the one of the disorder of the liver. So this is whole about of the TATA box. It is very important. Why it is important? Because it contains the sequences, and in case of eukaryotes somehow about 50% of promoter region of the eukaryotes, or more than 50% of promoter in eukaryotes, there is no TATA box. Then such type of promoter is known as the TATA-less promoter. But in case of prokaryotes, pre-now box is must. But in case of eukaryotes, TATA box is not mandatory. In some promoter region there is no TATA box, then such type of promoter is known as the TATA-less promoter. But in case of TATA box, some of the sequences also present towards the downstream region, which is known as the downstream promoter element. So the TATA box, the function of TATA box, which is take over by the another sequences, consensus sequences in case of eukaryotes, which is present about plus 28, and this region is known as the downstream promoter element. So this is whole about of the TATA box and the pre-now box or the -10 element. Okay, thank you for watching.